Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Omnisend for SMS and email dropshipping campaigns, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Omnisend account. Once you are on the dashboard, locate the Settings tab on the left sidebar. Click on Settings to open the Configurations menu. In the Settings menu, find and select API key to generate an API key. If necessary, create a new API key by clicking on the Create API Key button. Copy the generated API key for later use. Next, navigate to the SMS settings within the Settings menu. In the SMS settings, you will need to provide your phone number. Ensure that the phone number is in the correct format. After entering your phone number, you might need to verify it through a code sent via SMS. Once verified, you can activate SMS campaigns. Now, return to the main dashboard and select Campaigns. In the Campaigns section, click on Create Campaign. Choose whether to create an email, SMS, or combined campaign. For SMS campaigns, select the SMS option and compose your message. Make sure your message complies with SMS marketing regulations. Once your SMS content is ready, choose your audience segment. You can create a new segment or select an existing one. After selecting your segment, schedule your campaign or send it immediately. Now, to set up an email campaign, return to the Campaigns section. Click on Create Campaign again and choose the email option. Design your email using the available templates or create a custom design. Add your subject line and any necessary personalization. Select your audience segment, just like with the SMS campaign. Finally, review your email and either schedule it or send it right away. To track your results, navigate to the Reports section after your campaigns have been sent. Review the analytics to understand the performance of both SMS and email campaigns. This will help you optimize future dropshipping campaigns with Omnisend. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.